Good dog.
Boy. Oh, shit.
You're doing great.
Get around. Carter.
Liz, he's good out here.
Boy. Get around.
Left hand, yeah, right hand. Liz, what did you dream about this stuff? This is really nice.
Good boy. Chris, after running faster than the goddamn sheep. Get around.
Good dog. Well, what we need to do is get a walk into him.
Get around.
Good dog.
Good. Good boy.
Left hand, left hand.
Good boy. Get around. Good boy. You're not even eating for his bumps. Good corgi.
He's getting it.
Yeah.
So is this changing your mind at all?
No. Good boy, Carter. Here.
Good boy.
What a good boy you are.
When you get back up to us, you're going to ask him to lie down.